Hey guys, we just got some new slime. Mine is blue.
Mine is green.
And
Our name is the Slime Brothers.
yes, and we're about to open them right now. And it's putty, really. We're over here by the north side. Go to the north side.
No, we're not on the north side. We're on the south side. Get it straight. Okay?
It's not to the south side.
We are on the south side. So it's just putty. Noisy putty. And it farts.
Here's mine. Let me let them show.
Look.
Let me show.
Mine.